Here I'm going to show you how to change a payment method for a payment plan. So the first thing that the person will need to do is log into the portal. So you'll need to do that using your login information and password and answer any security questions you may have. So here I've already logged in. I'm going to navigate to the Student tab at the top of our screen and choose Student Services. Once we've done that, we are going to navigate to my account. For me, it's here in the middle. I'm going to choose installment payment plans. And once I'm here, this screen is a screen where you can do a lot of different things, but we want to go over here to our payment profile. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that we add a payment method in here so that when we go to change the payment plan and change the payment method for the payment plan, there's an additional payment method that you'd like to use. The system will not let you delete a payment method before adding a new payment method. So you need to make sure you add that new one first, and then you go ahead and delete the old ones that you don't want. So to add the new payment method, we've went over this a couple of times, but you'll go and select either method, electronic check or credit or debit card. So I'll just quickly go through and show what those look like one more time. So here we have add a new payment method. Again, a basic account information, your account type, checking or savings, routing number, bank account number. And again, there's the quick reminder of where those numbers are. And then, of course, your billing information, and you'll want to save the payment method as something different than your current payment methods here. So right now we have two payment methods in here. I'd want to save it as something separate than those payment methods. I don't want to confuse myself. So once I've done all of that, I would hit continue, and then the payment method would be added. So I'm just going to quickly show the credit or debit card. You could go through that. You'd have to add in the credit card number, hit continue, and you would be all set with that. So once you've added a new payment method, you would navigate then to payment plans at the top of the page. So you could either do that just simply by clicking here or by clicking home and then clicking payment plans. It's the same thing. So then if you would have already have a payment plan in here. So once that payment plan is already in action, like I said, you can't delete a payment method from a payment plan that's currently running without adding a new one. So once you've done that, there will be a button that says update all payments. And then after you've changed all the payments to the new card or the new payment method, it could be a checking account as well, you can delete the original card or original payment plan from the old account on the payment profile plan. So I'll just go over and show that quickly. The payment profile will be here. Again, you could take those actions and edit or delete those. And our recommendation is to delete any old payment methods so that you wouldn't get confused or accidentally use that in the future. So like I said, you could just edit or delete either of any of these payment methods, and then that way you'd be able to make sure that you have the most up-to-date account information here as possible. Okay, and then if there's any questions, as always, contact the Bursar's office, phone number 570-408-4960, or of course, billing@wilkes.edu.